Good morning, I am Srihari. I am doing internship at LEXIS and Company. I am studying at Presidency University of Bangalore. Today my topic is about the classification of codes. Being as a law student and being as a lawyer, you should be knowing about the cases where to be filed under which court, because there is no one court where all the cases have been dealt, whether it is revenue cases or whether it is the criminal cases, civil cases. Each court has its own jurisdiction, means each court has its own validity, like which court hears the cases. In my real life example, when I was in Kerala, I saw the court which is situated at the center, where I saw most of the people who had from different cases were being in the presence of court before the judge in different matters, whether it is civil case or criminal case. So coming on the topic, first we should know about what are the types of courts that we have, so that we can easily understand the definitions of each court, which I would be like to telling you now. First is the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is considered as the superior court, or it is known as the final court for a final decision which is made. High Court is the where the most of the appeals can be when the decision of the subordinate court or the lower court is not satisfied any of the plaintiff or a defendant, where he can go for an appeal. Whereas other is that it is further divided into three court, as I said: civil, criminal, and revenue court. In civil court, it comes under the district judge or a session judge court and sub judge family court. Whereas in the criminal cases, it is divided into three, that is session court, district court, metropolitan magistrate, revenue court, and has further categorized into three categories. That is in the revenue court, as I said, but of revenue court has been classified into three set categories, that are commission of collector, Talsidar, Nahib Talsidar. Here, in each district of India, there are various kind of subcourts that have been there. As I said about regarding the civil and criminal revenue courts, what are they? So talking about criminal code, they are related to violation, not fundamental right, but they are related to the IPC involved, that is theft, culpable homicide, murder. These court can involve only criminal matter. They cannot involve any civil matter which can be included, or revenue matters including the agriculture. Whereas in case of civil cases, these are the courts that have been held only for civil matter, like law of tort, or if any dispute has come from the subordinate court, or if any dispute has been came from the any family property matter or dispute financial matter, negligence, compensation cases have been held in civil matter. Third is our revenue cases. Revenue cases are those cases where the matters dealt with only revenue. Like for example, any dispute comes before the court, the regarding the dispute of land matter, like in PIL, public interest litigation, where any of the person file against hazards, pollution, or any environmental pollution, or any of the factors that is relating to the land. So these are filed under the revenue courts. For presenting for a clear understanding, I would like to give a small brief diagram so that you can clearly understand each what I am talking about. So this is what regarding of my today's topic. This topic I have chosen is that one I have told you about the Supreme Court and the about the different types of courts that we have in India, and also I have given you a small brief on what are the different types of court we have and what are the subset that comes under each category of court. And third, I said about is that the court which comes under like criminal court, civil court, revenue court, what are the matters that comes under it. So if you have any query, please write or comment on the chat box. Soon as I receive, I would like to answer your queries. I'm most welcome to answer that queries you send, because being as a law student, I'm more able to learn from your queries only. If you have any query, you can comment as well as soon. So if you like, please subscribe, comment and share. Thank you. This video for only educational purpose.